Hey, today, we will discuss finding a free government phone stand. The government offers several programs to help people access affordable phone service. One of these programs is the Lifeline program. Lifeline provides a discount on phone service to eligible consumers. To be eligible for Lifeline, you must have an income at or below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines. You may also be eligible if you participate in certain government assistance programs, such as Medicaid or SNAP. If you are eligible for Lifeline, you can get a discount on landline, wireless, or broadband internet service. You can also get a free government phone. To find a free government phone stand, you can use the Lifeline Assistance Directory, which lists all the Lifeline providers in your area. You can also contact your local government or social service agencies for assistance. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.